YouTube, we back again. Another interior job done by Bullocks Upholstery and Design. Working on the custom deluxe today. Going with a door panel wrap, both sides. I ain't gonna tell y'all what color yet. Just stay tuned for the finished product. Dash coming out, gonna be a fresh dash. We back factory with a custom look. Customer didn't want too much. A little rip in the seat. All that's coming out. All that's gonna be fresh. New carpet going in. It'll look pretty nice when I get done with it. Y'all stay tuned. We got a little nice paint job going on. Let's take a walk around. Nice blue on it. Nice old Chevrolet we got here. Real nice, real nice. Y'all stay tuned for the finished product. We back again for an update. Finished product look pretty good. Like I said, the customer didn't want too much. No dash wrap. Check out the stitch work. Two-tone door panel. Two-tone the seat. Blue stitching. One new carpet. Custom floor mats. These side pieces wrap. Cleaned up pretty good. Door panel wrap. Chrome insert piece. So it cleaned up pretty good, real nicely. Remember this bad spot? All that's fixed. Check out the details and the stitching. Got some floor mats, detail. Come up to the driver's side of the dash. Detail. Little factory with the custom look.